Good evening, everybody. Fan Steve here once again. It is March the 2nd, 2025. This is a solar gun made by C.M.T. This was in my video that I had just published yesterday, and I recently ordered this off of eBay. I got a really good deal out of this, and also not to mention with it being brand new. Little did I know about these tools. I have seen videos and understanding how electronics work and how they're put together and the tools that they're used for those applications. There's a solar gun and there's an iron gun, and I learned that two of them are completely different things. But anyway, this is a 5 PC solar gun. These are the features. And this is rated for 110 volts and 60 hertz, 100 watts. It contains 2 extra cutters and a container of flux, tube of solar wire, and also comes in a blow mold carry case. And this is what it looks like right here. There is the item number 10073. Alright, and there is the, let's flip this over. There is the barcode. And this was assembled in China. Using tools can be dangerous. Always take care and keep away from children. Wear protective eyewear in work area at all times. Select correct type of size and hand tool for work. Wear heavy shield and safety glasses. Wear heavy long sleeve working gloves. Let's go ahead and get this thing out of the case to where we can have a better look at it. Okay, so here it is. There's the soldering gun. There is the container of flux. There are the 2 cutters. And this is the soldering iron. I'm sure that this is, I don't think it's lead. There's really not much in there. But I think it'll be just enough to work with throughout the projects that I have lined up. Alright, so there's the cutters there. Everything's in decent shape. Hopefully you got all of that. There's the side of it. It is a little heavy. There's the light there, to where it's easier to, to focus. This is done with screws. Alright, so here's the power cord. Alright, let's see what the flux looks like. Okay, so there is the flux paste. Appears to be a dark brown. I I guess that's the color it's supposed to be. I'm not too informative as to how old this thing is. It can't possibly be too old. I'm sure that this is the right stuff. However, this did not come with a brush, but hey, I can use something like an old toothbrush or whatever, for cleaning and whatnot. So, pretty cool. This is really gonna come in handy. And it's gonna be easier, for doing electricals, rewiring, and stuff like that. Good household item. Good thing to have. Well, that'll do it for this video, everybody. Next video, I should be getting a demonstration of this. I hope that you all have enjoyed the video. Any thoughts or suggestions, questions, whatever, the comment box is open. And until the next one, over and out. And I hope that you have enjoyed. Thank you for viewing my material.